This is a Samsung 42-inch plasma TV that we're working on. And the model code is HPT42540X/XAA. On and off, where they turn the set on a little while, it clicks off and stuff. We replaced that little capacitor there. That didn't seem to work very well. It still did the same thing. So we started fooling around by pushing around the heat sinks over here. And as we pushed it around, noticed that this heat sink, when shoved over this way, seemed to operate properly. So we did some soldering and tried some on the bottom of the board, but that didn't work out so good. So we ended up putting a little brace in here from the transformer to the heat sink, and then we put a little super glue on there to hold it. Maybe it'll work, let the set work. And up on top, you can see our little white bar there. That's actually what we installed.